Okay guys, here we are, 2015 Ford Expedition, 120,000 miles. Good looking unit, pretty clean, not beat up, no door dings or scratches. Got a decent set of hand-cooked tires. This is an EL Limited model. So long wheelbase, got the EcoBoost engine, so very powerful. Power tailgate works. Got the tan interior, which looks pretty clean. Did not tote a lot of crap back here, so not all scratched up or beat up. How do we shut that? Oh, you press it here. Yeah, very clean. Got the bench seat. Ooh, and power running boards. Oh yeah, this thing's very clean. If this pulled any kind of kid duty, it would be maybe a car seat set right there, but very, very clean. Yeah, this is not a beat down, ass whipped Expedition. Driver's seat looks pretty good. Got a little wear right here. But this thing smells good too. Has a good smell. And dang, it's clean. Very, very clean. Let's see how well she runs. Okay. All right. Runs pretty good. Got a check engine light on, low tire pressure. We have AC and heated seats. Let's see how well this AC works. I can feel the heat's working. Got trailer brakes, entertainment. Okay. Yeah, pretty cool. Very, very clean. Sunroof. Let's see if we can get the sunroof open. Slide. Yep, we're in good shape there. Oh, my parking brake is on. Very good. Okay, let's take her for a ride here real quick. Boy, she's a big girl. She is a big girl. So far, so good. Very smooth. Oh man, this thing drives great. Very solid. No rattles. Transmission is, gosh, it is imperceptible in its shifts. Yeah, this thing's nice. Curious what the check engine light's for. I don't have a scanner tool with me, but I mean, she is clean, 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 and runs really well. I wonder if the check engine light could be something just like an O2 sensor, something silly. I'm trying to figure out how to open the hood. Okay, got it open. 3.5 EcoBoost. Got a new battery in 21. Everything smells good under here. Looks good, good coolant. Yeah, smells real good. No funny smells. I'm thinking O2 sensor here. Got a hitch. Yeah, that's the only thing. I wish I had a scanner, but that's the only thing I could think of. It might be in as an O2 because I feel like I'm getting a little smell of gas or stinky exhaust. Holy crap. Wow. Man, this thing's powerful. Whoa. So powerful. Whoa. Man, this thing has got tons of power. You can hear the turbos spooling up. Man, this thing will go. Go, go, go. Okay, well, there's just a quick little test drive rundown of a 15 Expedition. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.